Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Advanced Answers Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze a T-shaped pipe for its modal analysis. We will start by double-clicking on Modal module. We'll first go to Engineering Data and double-click. I will add a new material of CPVC. The density for CPVC is 1650 kg per meter cube. Then I'll add the material's property of isotropic elasticity. Young's modulus is 3.1 gigapascal, so E9. Value of Poisson's ratio is 0.386. This is one of the material. I will choose another material from the data itself. So I'll go to Engineering Data Sources. I'll double click on General Materials. I'll bookmark stainless steel as the other material. Now I'll click on Engineering Data Sources again. I can see both the materials. So I'll go to Project and Update Project. Now this analysis we'll do by using two materials only. You can add any other material of your choice for the analysis. I'll go to Geometry and right click and insert the geometry. Then I'll go to Model and double click. I'll first go to Geometry, Solid. I'll change the material to stainless steel. Then I'll go to Mesh and Generate. I'll go to Model first, right click and insert Fix Support. I'll select Face option and select this end. Apply. Next I'll go to Solution, right click and solve. I'll select all, right click, create mode shape results. I'll go to solution and solve. Now there are 6 modes because in analysis settings by default max modes to find are 6. If you want you can increase or decrease this number based on your choice. I will leave it to 6 itself. So we'll go for the first deformation. Now here if you don't want to see the meshing, what you can do is you can go to edges, no wireframe, such that you're able to see the pipe only. Also you can see there are bands of color. If I don't want that, so I'll go to contour, smooth contour. So you can see the colors blend into each other. Now the first deformation shows a value of 27.474 mm for a frequency of 75.251 Hz. You can animate and check this result such that you can see the pattern of its motion. Then we'll go for the second deformation. The highest value of deformation is 25.489 mm. The maximum frequency is 79.106 Hz. Then we'll go for the third deformation. The highest value is 20.48 mm for a frequency of 104.5 Hz. You can animate and check the pattern of its motion. Then we'll go for the fourth one. The highest value of deformation is 19.079 mm for a frequency of 186.72 Hz. This is the pattern of its motion. For the fifth one, the highest value of deformation is 33.911 mm and the frequency is 204.82 Hz. You can see the frequency is increasing with every mode. You can see its pattern of motion. For the sixth one, the highest deformation is 52.6 mm. This is the highest amongst all of them. and you can see the frequency is also highest of 308.91 Hz. Now these are the natural frequencies of this pipe that we have designed. If you happen to tap this natural frequency, you will get these deformations which we have found. So it is advisable that this natural frequency of the body is not tapped at all. Now we'll change the material from stainless steel to CPVC and we'll solve once again. Let's see the deformation. For the first mode, the highest value is 59.647 mm for a frequency of 20.887 Hz. This is CPVC. The material is weaker as compared to stainless steel. It's a plastic. That's why you can see the deformation is more for this small value of frequency. For the second mode, we can see the value of deformation is 54.638 mm. Frequency is 21.945 Hz. The pattern of motion will be the same for both the material, that is not going to change. So we'll see the third deformation. You can see here the maximum value is 44.182 mm. The value is here. This side was fixed, hence you can see over here the value is lesser. The frequency is 29.083 Hz. Then we'll go for the fourth deformation. Highest value is 41.922 mm for a frequency of 51.689 Hz. For the fifth deformation, the value turns out to be 70.469 mm. The value has increased a lot for a frequency of 57.792 Hz. And last frequency is 90.167 Hz for mode 6 and the maximum deformation is very large, 113.87 mm. So suppose if you use this pipe for this dimension using this material, it is better that these frequencies are not tapped such that your pipe will have a longer life and it will stay safe. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.